Hey guys, welcome back to Lumens Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the new Olight PL X. Alright, so the Olight PL X is going to come shipped in this white box here. It does have dual beams. The max lumens are 1200 lumens, which is really bright. It has a 300 meter throw, and it does fit on multi-rail mounting systems. So let's go ahead and unbox this here. Alright, so here at the front, you're going to have a README pamphlet. So please fully charge the battery before first use. And so it's going to have indicators here. So green, charging has been completed, and red, that it is charging. So here's the PLX user's manual. You also can use the QR code here. There's also an illustrated user's manual. So here's everything that comes in the box. So you get the PLX, USB-A, USB-C cable, screw, a GL rail adapter, which is for Glock, Allen wrench. And then here's the specification. So you have a spotlight and also a floodlight configuration in this light, which is really cool. So here's the spotlight and the floodlight meters. Table 2 shows the charging cable. There's the product overview, which we'll get into here shortly. And the operating instructions. Of course, how to charge, change the rail adapter. Also how to install the light and adjust the positioning, how to screw on, and different modes to switch. So you got the spotlight and the floodlight, and then how to turn on and off the light here. So lots of good information. All right, so here is the tool. It says Olight. Here's the charging cable. And of course here is the new PLX. And here in the box, we also have the GL rail adapter and the screw. Alright guys, let's take a closer look at the Olight PL X. So first thing on top, it comes pre-installed with the 1913 adapter. You can switch that out with the GL Glock adapter. There is a locking screw here, which you can unscrew all the way and adjust the mounting rail system here. Or you can use it just to push this out and install it on your pistol. So here on the side it says Olight, and then on the same side there is the spotlight function, and then here at the bottom it's going to switch it to the floodlight. So it's really easy to switch that up and down here on the left, and then on the right side you'll see that says PLX. And this is what it looks like from the front. So depending on what setting you have it on, whether it's the spotlight or the floodlight, those are the lights that are going to be activated. So there is the spotlight, and then you switch that down, and there is the floodlight. And be sure to get outdoor footage so you can see the difference a lot better. And here are the light activation switches. So you can either press these down, left or right, or you can press them in. And if you press these both down at the same time, you'll activate the strobe mode. Or you can also press this 3 times to activate the strobe mode. Alright, and here at the bottom of the light, you're going to see there is the charging port. There's a little door that actually sticks really well. You can use the provided cable. And then you'll notice that the charging light turns red, just showing you that it's charging. And once it's fully charged, that'll turn green. Alright, I also wanted to mention that there are 2 different switch configurations. So right out of the box, you'll have it on the mode 1. So what that means is as soon as you press the light switch, it'll be on the lowest setting, and then you double press, and they'll be on a brighter setting. And then to do the strobe, you'll have to press this 3 times, and then once for off. Now if you wanted to have it on mode 2, which is going to be on the highest setting as soon as you press this down, and you can have 2 clicks for the strobe mode versus 3 or dual. And to do that, you would just hold down one side and double press and hold the next. And when you get 2 flashes, you're on the new setting. So you can see it goes straight to the high setting, and if I double press, it goes to the strobe. So that's another feature you have with the new Olight PL X. And if you're wanting to go back to the default mode 1, you would just hold and double press the second one, and you'll see that there's 1 flash. So now we're back to a lower brightness setting and then bright. So depending on your preference, you can switch those however you'd like. Alright, and here I'm going to show you how simple it is to install. This is my Echelon comp. So I already have it loosened up. It's actually at a setting that fits really well right out of the box. So it's right up at the front. Locks right in there. I'm going to use the provided tool to tighten this up. There, you can feel it's really snug. No play, no wobble. Very easy to actuate the light. Want it brighter, dimmer, or the strobe. It looks really good on it too. And it is clear. Another neat feature is that it includes an anti-loosening mechanism, so it's not going to fly off your pistol while you're shooting it at the range, or if you're using it for duty, or anything like that. So it's definitely going to be reliable, and it is robust. I really do like the different settings, the spotlight and the floodlight. These come hand in hand. It's nice to have them both on the fly so you can switch both of these out just like that. It's so easy to do. You can do it while it's on as well. So you can see right there, there's the spotlight, and then there's the floodlight. And it has super high lumens, so you can see that outside. Alright guys, so that was the new Olight PL X. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you guys on the next one.